Rivers PDP accuses Supreme Court of bias in defection ruling, favoring pro-Wike lawmakers. My dear listeners, yeah, it is getting interesting here in Rivers State. Moving on to the full details, can you please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. And please stay tuned as I read today's news. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Rivers State has strongly criticized the Supreme Court over its recent judgment regarding the defection of 27 lawmakers from the Rivers State House of Assembly and the seizure of the state's monthly statutory allocation. The party, in a statement issued on Tuesday in Port Harcourt by its acting chairman in Rivers State, Honorable Nname Robinson Ewo, at the end of the party state working committee conference, accused the apex court of bias and granting reliefs on matters that were not presented before it. The controversy followed the Supreme Court ruling on February 28, 2025, which addressed the presentation of the 2024 appropriation bill by Governor Siminalayi Fubara. However, the PDP claimed that the court went further to make determinations on issues the litigant did not initiate and commenced action on, including the membership status of the 27 lawmakers who defected from the PDP to the All Progressives Congress (APC) as well as the withholding of Rivers State monthly allocations. It was stated the issues of membership of the Rivers State House of Assembly and the speakership of the House of Assembly, including defection, were not before the Supreme Court. What was before the Supreme Court? What was before the Supreme Court was issues of the presentation of the 2024 appropriation bill budget. The issues Justice Omotosho decided was the 2024 budget presentation. But the Supreme Court went ahead to grant reliefs litigant did not ultimate and commence actions. For example, status of the 27 lawmakers of the House, defection of the 27 Rivers Assembly lawmakers and seizure of monthly statutory allocation to the state. The Rivers PDP said it completely disagreed with the position of the Supreme Court. It said, on the status of RT Honorable Martins Amaiwule and the other 26 lawmakers, the Supreme Court said they have not defected, but as a party, we have records of their defections and we maintain that they are no longer members of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Evidence abound of their defection, i.e. a sworn affidavit in an Abuja High Court, reading of defection letters by the Speaker, Altil Honorable Martins Amaiwule, at the allowed chambers, reception of the All Progressives Congress (APC) by their then acting chairman, Chief Tony Okochal, in an event of Polo Club. Acknowledgement of their defection by the 8-point Agenda Peace Accord by their President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, etc. The Supreme Court having affirmed their membership of their House of Assembly and speakership, they are mandatorily expected to make laws for good governance of the state, receive the 2025 appropriation bill from the governor, and cooperate with the other arms of government, executive and judiciary, to ensure security of lives and properties in the state. Instead of the Artil Honorable Martins Amaiwule-led assembly to follow the path of peace by working towards the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment, Amaiwule and 26 other lawmakers have again chosen the path of dishonor. The PDP emphasized that while the Supreme Court is the highest judicial authority in Nigeria, it is not infallible and is capable of making errors. The party reaffirmed that Governor Fubara remains the duly elected leader of Rivers State and is responsible for implementing the court's judgment. The party noted that as part of the implementation, Governor Fubara has initiated the dissolution of the 23 local government councils and scheduled new elections for August 9, 2025, under the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission (RSIEC). The party also stated that Governor Fubara also attempted to represent the 2025 appropriation bill to the House of Assembly, but the Assembly refused to accept it. A1 noted that a second presentation has been scheduled for March 19. The PDP disagreed with the Supreme Court decision to void the October 5, 2024 local government elections based on non-compliance with the 2022 Electoral Act. The party argued that local government elections fall under the jurisdiction of the RSIEC, not the federal electoral law. My dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.